In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get eBay coupons and discount offers for 2025. If you're looking to save some money while shopping online on eBay, you've come to the right place. We'll take you through a simple process to ensure you're always in the loop with the latest deals and promotions. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to your favorite search engine. Type in eBay and hit search. You'll see a list of results, but what you're looking for is the very first one that appears, typically the official eBay website. Click on that link to get started. Once the eBay homepage has loaded, direct your attention to the upper left corner where you will see the Sign In button. Clicking on this will take you to a page where you can enter your login details. Go ahead and log in with your eBay account. If you don't have an account yet, now is a great time to create one to access all the fantastic deals. After signing in, spot the My eBay section, which you can find towards the top right. Next to My eBay, there's a little arrow. Click on this to reveal more options. From the drop-down, you'll want to select Summary. This area gives you an overview of your eBay activity. In the Summary section, look for the Account tab. Click there to explore different settings related to your eBay profile. Once you've entered the Account section, you're going to want to navigate to Communication Preferences. This section allows you to manage how eBay interacts with you regarding marketing and updates. Within the Communication Preferences, there is a subsection titled Marketing Communications. This part is crucial because it's where you can opt into receiving special offers and deals. Look for the Edit button around here and click on it. This will allow you to customize which communications you want to receive from eBay. Now you'll see several checkboxes. To ensure you get notified about all possible eBay coupons and discount offers, check all the boxes. This action enables eBay to send you emails and notifications about the latest promotions, ensuring you never miss a deal. Finally, after you've made all these changes, be sure to click on Save to update your preferences. It's a simple action, but crucial because it confirms your choices and makes sure any future communication includes deal alerts. And there you have it. By adjusting these settings, you'll be well positioned to receive eBay's latest coupons and discount offers, ultimately saving money on your online purchases. Make sure to keep an eye on your emails for these fantastic offers and happy shopping.